Crocs are incredibly popular among children, teens and adults alike. Just head down to the beach and count how many pairs you see. I'm fairly certain you'll need a second set of hands to total them up, even on a relatively quiet day. Maybe you even own a pair yourself. Once upon a time, I was guilty of thinking they were the perfect comfortable summer footwear. That didn't last long as the negatives quickly piled on. I'm no foot expert, so I wouldn't expect you to take my advice on anything shoe related. But the criticism extends beyond mine. Podiatrists have also begun slamming the popular shoes for a variety of foot health related issues. 1. They will damage your feet. Of Crocs, podiatrist Dr. Megan Leahy says, these shoes do not adequately secure the heel. When the heel is unstable, toes tend to grip, which can lead to tendinitis, worsening of toe deformities, nail problems, corns and calluses. The most common form of tendinitis is plantar fasciitis, which occurs when the tendon connecting your heel bone to your toes becomes inflamed. The pain can be excruciating and can even result in a bone spur, which requires surgery to correct. 2. Ever notice how your feet stink after wearing them? A lot of people seem to think that Crocs are antimicrobial and odor resistant. Why? Because the company markets them that way, of course. Too bad that claim is completely false. Back in 2011, the Environmental Protection Agency fined the Crocs company for $230,000 due to false claims of antibacterial properties. They were ordered to remove any mention of antibacterial properties from their packaging. Not too many people are aware of this, as a quick internet search will show people are still wondering why Crocs leave their feet so stinky. They're made of rubber. Rubber smells strong enough on its own. 3. They're dangerous. I don't mean they're dangerous in the sense that they'll send your date running off as soon as he or she realizes how poor your fashion choices are, although that certainly is true. I mean dangerous in the sense that you could actually lose a toe. That's what happened to one 4-year-old girl from California, whose Croc-covered feet got caught in the side of an escalator. Her family sued the company for $2 million. Another family from Pennsylvania sued the company for $7.5 million, after their 6-year-old's right toe was mangled when his foam Crocs were caught in an escalator. They aren't just freak accidents. The Journal of Pediatric Orthopedics looked at several children who were hospitalized in 2010 due to escalator-related foot injuries. More than 75% of them were wearing Crocs. Let's be honest. Your style isn't going to suffer if you ditch the Crocs. Neither will your wallet. They're cheaply made, despite being more expensive than, a normal pair of sandals. So please, for your health and for your style, give Crocs the boot.